Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to add someone as a trusted connection on Roblox safely and correctly. First, open Roblox and go to the profile of the person you want to add. Before sending a friend request, check their profile for account age, mutual friends, and activity to make sure they seem genuine. Next, tap Add Friend and wait for them to accept. Once they are on your friends list, you can adjust your privacy settings. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and choose who can chat with you, join your games, or see your activity. Set these options to Friends if you only want trusted connections to interact with you. Always avoid sharing personal information and use the block or report feature if anything feels unsafe. Trusted connections are built through positive interaction and smart privacy settings. Subscribe the channel for more videos.